Welcome back to today's build. This is for set Reobrix 681, which is an Audi R8. It's in a Speed Champion scale. So yeah, one of many sets that they do. Box has arrived very tatty, but yeah, everything's all complete and sealed in there. But as you all know, that doesn't bother me too much. I like to build the sets rather than collect them in neat, pristine boxes. So yeah, decent instructions. I believe there'd be stickers with this set as well. Yeah, so small sticker sheet. Let's get this built. we are, all completed. Again, just like Lego, this is the same scale as current Speed Champions, being 8 stud wide. Does it look like an R8? Yeah, there's details for it. You can see the front sort of grille, the notorious sort of slash in the side pod there, although I think that's such a feature of an R8. I think a bit more detail could have gone into that, because I mean, if the inner bit was black perhaps, or it was just larger, it just I think that's an area that could have been improved. The back, I love the spoiler. Doesn't really shout R8 to me, but yeah, and I think the wheels could have been a bit bigger. They just look slightly out of proportion, but overall good effort, you know, for a brick set that is widely available, you know, around the £15 mark or less. I think it's really good value. Yeah, it went together really well. Some steps I would say were unnecessary. I mean, underneath this element here, you can see there's an engine in there, but about 3 or 4 layers of bricks below that, you've then got loads of sort of piston style bits that went in there that will never ever be seen. They're completely covered by bricks. Whether that's just, you know, for the enjoyment of the build or something, I don't know, but I think if something's not going to be seen, I pretty much think it's pointless. There's a little bit of detail under the bonnet, but that's as much as the bonnet can actually open. And my last and real gripe again is stickers. The sticker set that comes with this, you can see in the manual, it doesn't shout to me that, you know, there's not a racing R8 that's got this scheme that sort of comes to mind when I see this, and it doesn't. I don't think it needs those stickers. I did decide to put these grills on because I thought, yeah, it'd be nice, you know, rather than the actual logos and the racing stripe. I think grills could add to it. However, I've put those on, and as you can see, the stickers are a much darker shade of red than the actual kit. So I might even end up just taking those off, because I don't think they do anything for it. They just highlight that, hey, look, I'm a sticker, and the rest is just plastic. So yeah, I think that again lets it down. I don't think it really needed too many of those. But yeah, from the front, yeah, it's a bit Audi R8 like. What are your thoughts? Have you got this? Are you going to buy this? Yeah. I have got other Reobrix sets still to build, and will be doing so. So I will put out more voting for other sets to build. My next ones I plan to be are the 2 brand new Mold King sets that have just been released. So I'll put a little vote on which one of those you prefer me to build next, and then we'll move on to some other Speed Champion scale sets, because I've got quite a lot of these I've still not got built, so might try and whiz through some of these over the next few weeks. So yeah, I've got some Reobrix and I've got some more Mold King sets like this. So yeah, there we go. As voted to be built by you, the Audi R8 by Reobrix. If you are interested in any of their ranges, I will put a link in description so you can go direct to Reobrix. I have got a link direct to them that does help out, and they have got quite a lot of different sets and scale of cars in their ranges. I've got a couple of larger car sets as well that I will get built. I've got one that's got about 1500, which is a Mercedes SL, so I will get that built at some time. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. I shall see you on the next video. So please do subscribe, and I will open up voting for the next build a little later. Thanks very much. See you soon.